the 5th Jan of 1974. We are here to celebrate the steadfast and dedicated effort put in by each and every one of you to make this association what it is today. This celebration won't be possible without the support and prayer from each and every one of you. So first of all, thank you and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Dear friends, I, on behalf of the Central Committee for Golden Jubilee Celebration, welcome our today's August gathering once again. This year, the ZELIANGRONG HERAKA Association Knowledge Center is celebrating its Golden Jubilee from the 42nd Church Conference with the theme, One Who Believes and Conforms to HERAKA and the part of Tingwang will live life, a content life that will reach the world about afterlife. My mago, Jubilee Design, Raka, Narimba, Purakuna,